This is a little pedal I made several years ago now, which has become quite popular, and many of you have asked about some sound bites for it, and so we've done our best to produce some here. Phil is going to play a bit of choice guitar for you, and I'm going to fiddle around with the settings on the box, and we're going to see what they do. Okay, I hope this will be useful for people who've got interested in the whirligig without ever having been able to see one. Okay. Now this is straight
dry here.
Now I'm going to do a little bit of vibrato at normal rate with the depth set fairly low. That's what. Small changes in the rate can be quite effective, so okay, next we'll try trem, which is it's more like the Fender tremolo than anything else. It's one thing that people have commented on the trem is when you have the depth at 0, you get a bit of breakup. This is inherent in the way the circuit works, and some people find it useful and quite pleasing. So here we are. It's quite a subtle breakup that a lot of people find useful to get just edgy tones out of without it being obviously distorted. So now we'll do the phase and see what you think of that. The thing you'll notice there is that, or you may not have, but here we are, the rate is automatically reset when you go to phase to be half the rate of the trem. So that's the rate on trem, and this is the rate on phase. And that happens without any need to reset the rate control, because phase is typically used at slower rate settings than trem or vib. Okay, that's the basic essence of the pedal. There are other effects, like if you go to very big depth on the phase, all the treble's wiped out. And then if you increase the rate to the top, It gives you a kind of Leslie effect that a lot of people find useful, and particularly on a pedal without having to resort to having a 100-weight wooden unit sitting in your car. So there we are, those are the three main effects that you get out of the whirligig, and they can be adjusted to taste.